Good day, everyone. Today, I will share to you the Nurse Well and Promote integrating health promotion and wellness into the undergraduate nursing curriculum. So, for my agenda, first is the area of expertise. Next is the description of the issue, justification and supporting evidence, proposed program or initiative, expected outcomes and impacts, and the references. So, for the area of expertise, since I am in the academic sector, so I will be sharing you the academic leaders. So the members of the academic community has the potential to uplift or cause depression to the learners. By implicating the right attitude and approach, the students will be able to enhance their learning skills and participate actively in the classroom and RLE setting. Academic leaders must possess a skill set that would identify arising problems and address them appropriately. As such, academic leaders will ensure that the learners will improve and face the real world with trust and confidence. For the description of the issue, nursing as both a discipline and a profession is grounded in the principles of holistic health, disease prevention, and health promotion. However, despite these foundational values, contemporary undergraduate nursing curricula often place predominant emphasis on acute care competencies, clinical procedures, and biomedical models of illness rather than on upstream, preventive, and health promotive approaches. This imbalance reflects a persistent curricular gap between the espoused philosophy of holistic care and the educational preparation of nurses to promote wellness across individual, family, and community contexts. Several factors contribute to this misalignment. First, traditional curricular structures tend to silo health promotion content into isolated public health or community nursing courses, rather than embedding in longitudinally throughout all stages of undergraduate education. This fragmentation limits students' ability to connect preventive concepts with clinical decision making in acute and primary care settings. Second, nursing students often report low confidence in implementing health promotion interventions, citing limited exposure, lack of mentorship, and minimal integration of wellness concepts within clinical placements. Third, faculty readiness to teach and model health promotive practices varies widely as educators may not have received formal training in health promotion frameworks or community engagement methodologies. Compounding this issue, nursing students themselves face significant challenges to personal wellness during their education. High academic workloads, emotional stress, and clinical demands are associated with burnout, anxiety, and reduced self efficacy. When students experience compromised well being, their capacity to model and teach wellness in future professional practice is diminished. As such, addressing health promotion in nursing curricula requires a dual focus approach. One, integrating health promotion and wellness competencies into coursework and practice experiences. And two, fostering their personal wellness of nursing students and faculty. Justification and supporting evidence. The initiative Nurse Well and Promote is justified by a growing body of evidence indicating the undergraduate nursing curricula inadequately prepare students to serve as effective health promoters and wellness advocates. Despite health promotion being a central tenet of nursing practice, the academic preparation of nurses remains disproportionately focused on acute care competencies, technical proficiency, and disease management. This imbalance limits environmental This imbalance limits graduates' ability to address the social behavior and environmental determinants of health and undermines nursing capacity to contribute fully to population health improvement. For the supporting evidence, the multiple study have documented insufficient curricular integration of health promotion and wellness content within undergraduate nursing programs. In a study conducted by Por Abdullah et al. On 2024, found that graduating nursing students often lack expected competencies in preventive care, community health, and patient education, revealing a disconnect between curricular outcomes and workforce expectations. Similarly, Alauch et al. On 2024 identified that health promotion topics are often add-ons to existing courses rather than longitudinal integrated components. This fragmented approach results in students perceiving health promotion as peripheral rather than foundational to professional nursing identity. Nursing students experience high levels of psychological distress, burnout, and poor self care behaviors, which negatively affect academic performance, empathy, and long term professional resilience. Research indicates that up to 70% of nursing students report moderate to severe stress levels linked to academic workload, emotional demands of clinical placements, and limited institutional support. Paradoxically, while nurses are expected to promote wellness in others, many are not adequately supported to maintain their own well being during training. For the proposed program or initiative, for the program goal, to build capacity among nursing students and faculty to engage in health promotion and wellness trajectories within their own academic or clinical environment, and into community practice by embedding wellness and preventive health competencies across the curriculum. For the key components, first is curriculum mapping and gap analysis. Conduct a thorough audit of the current undergraduate nursing curriculum to identify where health promotion, wellness, social determinants of health, and wellness frameworks are currently represented and where they are missing or fragmented. Use tools from curriculum integration, research, exempli gratia, validated instruments described in the literature to evaluate the degree of integration. For the Wellness Framework module for students, introduce a longitudinal wellness module based on the 10 dimensions of wellness: physical, emotional, social, intellectual, occupational, spiritual, environmental, financial, community, and creative into the nursing curriculum. This model could run across semesters and include both classroom and experiential components. Exempli gratia, the self-assessment, peer reflection, project work focused on wellness promotion in personal or community contexts. Next, health promotion project in community or clinical setting. Students partner with local community agencies or clinical units to design and implement a health promotion project. For example, nutrition education, lifestyle risk reduction, health literacy campaigns. This allows application of theory, community engagement, interprofessional collaboration, and reflection on health promotion roles. For the expected outcomes, undergraduate nursing students demonstrate improved competence and confidence in health promotion, wellness advocacy, and preventive care. Faculty enhance their skills in teaching wellness and health promotion, resulting in stronger curricular integration. Nursing program exhibits a more coherent, integrated curriculum linking wellness, prevention, and clinical practice. Lastly, community and clinical partners benefit from student-led health promotion initiatives, reinforcing the role of nurses as health promoters. So these are the references. That would be all. Thank you and God bless.